Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get started with today's training. It is going to be on exporting your contacts and turning them into mailing labels through KW Command. Now, depending on what you're trying to accomplish, there's a few ways to go about it, and depending on exactly what you're trying to mail it out and to what groups. So one of the first things you could do, come over here to filters, and if you have a custom tag assigned to a certain group of people you want to mail a postcard out to, a newsletter out to, or whatever it is, you could just come over here to the custom tags and start selecting them. Now you could do it pretty much either 10 at a time, or if you want to do some more, come over here where it says show, click on this and do up to 50 contacts at a time. And you'll be able to go ahead and turn them all into a mailing label. Now, another thing you could do, if it's for the whole entire database, and it's something I'll be doing, especially around the holiday time period where I'm trying to mail out Christmas cards or something like that, I would just come over here. You see where it says import, add contact, and there's this box with 3 dots in it. Go ahead, click on the box with the 3 dots, and export mailing labels as PDF. You'll just go ahead and do this, and this will take care of the entire database with everybody with an address associated with your contacts. Now you'll get a little green box that popped up earlier. Pretty much it'll tell you to go in and refresh the page, and it should be complete. Now over here at the icon, the bell icon, you see the red dot on it. Click on that. Your mailing label contacts export is complete, and we are good to go. All right, everybody. Hopefully you found this useful. I know this was something other agents talked about before in the past as far as the functionality of making sure we could print off mailing labels, and here is the down and dirty with it. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell for notifications. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. We'll talk to you soon.